Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on some wigs that were sent to me from Toyotress. This is the same wig, just different colors, so stay tuned. So this is the packaging that the wigs came in. This is the Toyotress short pixie wig, 4-inch. And it's in the color FH27625. So let's get right into it. So here's the wig inside of the box. It comes with a net for protection, and it also comes with a weaving cap, which I will not be using. I'll be just using a regular wig cap. So let's get into this first unit. Again, these are the same units, just different colors. Definitely excited about this. I've never done a short pixie cut wig before. I did big chop twice, so my hair has been short before, and before I even returned to natural, I did used to wear a short cut, but it has been probably a decade at this point. But here is the wig. So it does come with like a circle closure. You can see that little pop of color underneath. Absolutely love it. Little tapered back. And then the inside of the cap comes with an adjustable strap, and there are no combs. This is like a throw on and go wig, so we're gonna throw her on and see what it's looking like. So first, let me put my wig cap on. Okay, wig cap is in place. Woo, a little nervous, y'all. A little nervous, but I know we're gonna make her work. So I think we're going to just go ahead, start in the back. Okay, so it's definitely snug, but we're gonna help her out a bit. Okay. Just a little swoop action here. Okay, Toyotress with the little pixie cut. Oh, I'm actually really feeling this. Just gonna move her back just a little bit. It's way too much in my eye. Oh yeah. And that little pop of color. Uh-oh, I don't wanna expose the cap. But that little pop of color underneath, yes. This is definitely a summer ready, everyday throw on and go, dress her up or down. So she's cute. Okay, so we did a little bit more fluffing and put a little hairspray on to just keep her in place, but yes. What are we thinking? And there's so many different things that you can do with this wig. Oh, hold on now. Hold on a minute. Hold on. See? Like, you just really have to play with this and just make it your own. I'm actually, this is giving me like a 90s vibes. It's taking me back to high school. It's the swoop for me though. It's definitely the swoop for me. So I don't know if I want to cut the bangs down a little. I'm not big on hair in my eye, but yeah, so many different ways that you can style her up. I will literally be here all day restyling and styling again this unit. I'm loving it. All right, let's get into the other colors. And this is the unit in the color FH Burgundy 625. And last but not least, we have the color FH 613 625. I will leave the links to the wigs in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, which color is your favorite, and if you would rock this style. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.